Hello everybody, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to install the Intelligent Appliance device. So the first thing you want to do is plug the included USB cable to the device and plug the other end to your hosting computer. Wait until the computer identifies the device. And now insert the included CD or download the IA-3000 utility from intelligentappliance.com. Now go to My Computer, open the CD drive, and choose IA Utility folder. Double-click the setup to start the installation. Press OK to continue the installation. If you want to change the default destination, choose the Change Directory button and press the install icon to continue. Press OK to complete the installation. Now go to Start menu and choose the IA-3000 software in order to activate it. Choose the desired port. Identifying the correct port will be explained later. And press Search to find connected devices. Choose your device. Now you can perform preliminary tests to the inputs and outputs. As you can see, they're working. Let's go over how to identify the correct port. Right-click on My Computer and choose Manage. Choose Device Manager. And finally, choose Ports. A list with all the ports will appear below. Now the IA devices are identified as USB serial ports. That's how you can identify which port your device is using. In this example, you see the device is in COM3 port. If the operating system pops this window, just press this program installed correctly button. And that's it. For any further information you may have, contact support at intelligentappliance.com.